In this video, you'll learn how to stop Edge data collection for Copilot. We'll go through the exact settings you need to change inside Microsoft Edge so that your browsing data is no longer used to train Copilot. I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you have Microsoft Edge open on your computer. You'll want to be signed in with the profile you actually use for browsing, since the setting we're about to adjust is tied to your profile. If you use multiple profiles, you'll need to repeat this process in each one where you want data collection turned off. Now, start by opening Copilot in Edge. You can usually do this by clicking the Copilot icon on the top bar of the browser, often on the right-hand side. When you click it, a side panel should slide out, showing the Copilot interface where you normally type your prompts or questions. Once Copilot is open, look toward the top of that panel for your profile icon. This is typically a small circle, sometimes with your initials, a generic avatar, or a picture you've chosen. It usually sits near the top right of the Copilot panel. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This is where Microsoft keeps most of your personal and privacy-related options. After you click your profile icon, a small menu will appear. From here, you want to find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you out of the quick menu and into the more detailed Copilot settings area within Edge. If you don't see settings right away, make sure you clicked on the profile icon inside the Copilot panel, not the one for the main browser window. When the settings page opens, you'll see different sections or tabs along the side or across the top. Look for the section called Privacy. This is where Microsoft groups all the controls related to how your data is used, including whether it's used to train Copilot. Click on Privacy to open that section. Take a moment to scan the options on this page. You're looking for a setting related to training, usually described as allowing your data or content to be used to improve or train Copilot or similar AI features. The wording can vary slightly, but it will clearly mention training or improving the service using your data. Once you find that training option, you'll notice it has a switch or toggle next to it. If data collection for training is currently enabled, that switch will be turned on. To stop Edge from sending your data to train Copilot, simply click the switch to turn it off. When it's off, it should change color or move to the opposite side, indicating that the setting is now disabled. After you turn off training, that's all you need to do. The change takes effect immediately, and Edge should stop using your data from Copilot sessions for training purposes. You don't usually need to restart the browser, but if something doesn't seem to update right away, closing and reopening Edge is a simple step you can try. To recap in plain terms, you opened Copilot in Edge, clicked your profile icon, went into Settings, then into the Privacy section and turned off the option that allows your data to be used for training. Once that toggle is off, your data should no longer contribute to Copilot's training models from that profile. That's how you stop Edge data collection for Copilot. If you use multiple profiles or devices, remember to repeat these same steps wherever you want this setting applied.